In this video, I'll show you some possible fixes for the Discord error unable to link phone number to account. Alright, so first and foremost, let's just make sure that you've typed in your number correctly. So make sure you have put in the correct country code and then typed in your number correctly. A silly one, I know, but it can oftentimes happen that you have put in either the incorrect country code or just typed it in incorrectly. Once we're certain that's not the problem, we can carry on to what is usually more likely the problem, and that is that you have already registered your phone number with a previous Discord account. Maybe years back you made one and you just completely forgot about it. And unfortunately with Discord, a phone number can only be linked to one account at a time. As well as what's also important to remember is that if you remove a number from Discord, there is a certain waiting period before you can tie that number to another account or back to the same account. Now, this can be good news or bad news because you need to be able to remember the email associated with that Discord account and phone number. Now, let's say you do still have access to the account, maybe on your computer. What you want to do is go to the settings cog over here, and in the My Account section where mine says phone number and says add, your phone number will be here and you'll be able to click remove. Now, if for whatever reason you don't have access to the account, this is where remembering the email is very important because you have to contact Discord support, and I will have the link for Discord support in the description of this video. And in here, you will need to submit a request. So you'll click on help and support. You'll type in your email address. So the one that they need to contact you on. For the type of question, you want to put in account verification and credentials. What type of issue are you experiencing? Phone verification. Then you need to put in which one of these errors you are getting. So let's just say we are getting invalid phone number. Put in the phone number, then here you will just write a heading, and if you can, try to be as descriptive as possible with the problem, and then hit submit. And that is all I've got for you. Unfortunately, you're going to have to wait for them to get back to you, but contacting support is the quickest way if you don't really know what the problem might be. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.